Namaste, dear friends. Today we are doing chapter number 3rd, Godohanam exercise. This is the exercise of class 9th Sanskrit book, Shemusi, 3rd chapter. First of all, first question we will see. The first question is telling that एक पदेन उत्तरम लिखत. We have to write the answer in one word. Write the answer in one word. Then first question is Mallika पूजार्थम सखीभिः सह कुत्र गच्छति स्म. It means where did Mallika go with her friends for worship? So where did she went? She went to Kashi Vishwanath temple, Kashi Vishwanath Mandiram. Next question. Umayah pitamahen kati shetakmitam dugdam apechyate isma. How many liters of milk did Uma's grandfather wants? How many liters they want? He want Trishatam. It means 300 liters milk. Next question. Gha number. Kumbhakarah ghatan kim rachayati. Why does the potter make pots? Why does he make? Because of Jivika heto, means for his livelihood. So the potter make pots for livelihood, for surviving his life. Next question is Kani chandanasya jihva loluptam vardhante isma. Means which one increased the greed of chandan tongue. So which one increase means what thing increase the greedy of chandan? Modakani. When Mallika was preparing modak, then you see he want to take modak. So the question is which one increased the greed of Chandan's tongue? The answer is modak, means laddu. Next question. Nandinya pad praharaih kah raktaranjitah abhavat. Who was bloodied by the kick of Nandini? Means who become red by the kick of Nandini? Who become red? Chandan. Because when Chandan start milking, want to milk, then Nandini kicked him. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is asking Purna Vakyena Uttaram Likhatha. Means you have to write the answers in full sentence. So what is the first question? First question is Mallika Chandanasya Masha Paryantam Dhenoha Katham Akurtam. It is a question. How did Mallika and Chandan keep the cow for a month? Means what did they do for cow Nandini? So the answer is Mallika Chandanascha Paryanta Masa Paryanta Dhenu Ghasadikam Gadadikam Cha Bhojayata Kadachita Vishadayoh Tailam Lepayatah Tilaka Dharayatah Ratrau Nirajnenapi Tosayatah. Means what did they do for a month? So the answer is Mallika and Chandan feed the cow grass and other fodder for a month. Means they increase the quantity. Sometimes they apply oil to their homes. Means sometimes they applied oil on the horns of Nandini's horns and make tilak. Tilaka, you know, on the forehead one tilak, and satisfy it with water at the night. Next question is Kalah kasyam rasam pivati. Whose juice does time drink? So the answer is Kalah क्षिप्रम क्रियमाणस्य आदानस्य प्रदानस्य कर्तव्यस्य च कर्मणः रसम पिबति. Means time always drink the juice of the quick act of exchange, duty and important work. Means the works which is necessary and exchange, if we not do these work on proper time, then time can drink the enjoy of these work. Next question. घट मूल्यार्थम यदा मल्लिका स्वाभूषणम दातुं प्रयतते तथा कुंभकारः किं वदति. What does the potter say when Mallika try to give her jewelry for the price of pot? What did the potter say? Let's see. He told that Putrike naham papakarmam karomi कथमापि नेच्छामि त्वाम आभूषण विहीनां कर्तुं नयतु यथा विलसितान् घटान् दुग्धं विक्रीय एव घटमूल्यं ददातु. So the question is means what did the potter say to Mallika when she was trying to give her jewelry? So he told the potter, Devis told that, oh daughter, oh my daughter, no, I cannot do this sign papam. I cannot do this pap. In no way do I wish to leave you without ornament. Means I cannot make you without ornament. So take the pot as you desired and sell the milk. Then only you can pay the pot price. Next question is Mallikaya किम दृष्ट्वा धेनोः ताडनस्य वास्तविक कारणम ज्ञातम. It means what did Mallika see that made her realize the real reason for the cow's beating. Means what did Mallika see? Then she realized that it is the real cause of kicking of Nandini. So the answer is Mallikayah dugdheentam drashtva dheno tadanasya vastavikam karanam gyatam. So Mallika saw the lack of milk and knew the real reason for the cow's beating. When Mallika saw the cow Nandini that there is no milk under the cow, so she realized it is the main cause of kicking the Nandini. Next, मास पर्यंतम धेनोः अदोहनस्य किम कारणम आसीत. So what was the reason for not milking the cow for a month? You know why did Chandan not milking the cow? So simple answer is मास पर्यंतः धेनोः अदोहनस्य ग्राम प्रमुखस्य गृहे त्रिशत सेटकमितं दुग्ध प्रदानस्य लोभः कारणामासीत. Means what was the reason? The reason for not milking the cow for a month was the greed for giving 300 liters of milk to the house of village chief. So what was the reason? Because Chandan want to give 300 liter milks to the village headman. So it was the greed. Due to this greed, he did not milk the cow for a month. Okay. Next question. Next question is telling that रेखांकित पदानि आधृत्य प्रश्न निर्माणं कुरुत. Based on underlined words, you have to make question sentence, interrogative sentence. So first sentence is Mallika sakhibi saha dharmayatrayai gacchati isma. मीन्स मल्लिका was going on a धर्म यात्रा with her friend. So यहाँ से we have to remove सखी भी, friend. Then answer is मल्लिका काभिशः धर्मयात्रायै गच्छति स्म. Means Mallika was going on dharma yatra with whom? So what was the question? Mallika was going with her friend. Then question is Mallika was going on dharma yatra with whom? Okay. Next statement is Chandanah dugdha dohanam kritva ev swapratarasasya prabandham akarota. So we have to remove swapratarasasya. What is the meaning? Chandan prepared his breakfast after milking the cow. So we have to remove his breakfast. Chandanah dugdha dohanam kritva eva kasya prabandham akarota. So kasya means whose or what. Then what did Chandan prepared for after milking? Next question, next statement is Modakani. We have to remove Modakani puja nimittani rachatani ashana. So Modaka was prepared for worship. So we can make sentence interrogative Kani puja nimittani rachatani ashana. What were prepared for worship? Means Modak were prepared for worship. So we can remove Modak and put what? What were prepared for worship? Next question. Next statement is Mallika swapatim chaturtamam manyate. Mallika thinks her husband as the smartest. We have to remove smartest. Our answer is, the question is Mallika swapatim kidrasham manyate. How does Mallika think about her husband? So what was the statement? Mallika thinks her husband is the smartest. So the question is, how does Mallika think about her husband? Next, Nadinam padabhyam Nandini padabhyam taditva chandanam raktaranjitam akarota. Means Nandini kicks the chandan. Nandini kicks the chandan and makes it bloodied. So we have to remove Nandini. We can put here in the place of Nandini who kicked the chandan and make it bloodied. So in Sanskrit, ka padabhyam taditva chandanam raktaranjitam karoti. Who kicks chandan and makes it bloodied? Next question is question number 4. Manjushayah sahayataya bhavarte riktisthani purayati. With the help of giving underlined words, we have to complete the paragraph by using these words. So this paragraph is giving, so graha vyavasthayai, it means arrange of the house. Utpadayayita means produce or cause. Samarthaka means supporter. Dharma yatra means your dharma yatra. Mangal kamanam means good luck. Kalyankarana means safe and good, means that thing which make good, kalyankari. So the paragraph is telling Yada Chandanah Swapatnya Kasi Vishwanath Prati Dharma Yatra Vishayi Janati Tatha Tada Sah Krodhati Na Bhavati. Means when Chandan learns about his wife's Dharma Yatra. So first blank is Dharma Yatra. To Kasi Vishwanath. He is not angry. Tada Sah Krodhatam Na Bhavati. Means he become not angry yet, because tasya patnim tam graha vyavasthayam kathayitva sakhibhi sah brahmanaya gacchati. Because her wife tells him to arrange the house and goes for a walk. To arrange the house means graha vyavasthaye. So because of her wife tell him to arrange the house and goes for a walk with her friend. अपि तस्या यात्राया कृते मंगलकामनां कुर्वन्नि कथयत. But he wishes her good luck for her pilgrimage, means dharma yatra, and says, may your path be safe and good. And he only gave best wishes her that your way, your journey will be safe and good. मार्गे कदाचित् कांचिदपि बाधा तव कृते समस्या न उत्पादयेत्. And he prays to God that in your way there is no disturbance, no obstacles in the way should cause problem. Utpadayet means cause problem for you. So etena siddhyati, this proves that yat chandanah nari swatantrataya samarthaka asita. It proves that Chandan was a supporter of women's freedom. So what is the explanation of this chapter in this paragraph? Means when Chandan know that her wife is going to Dharma Yatra, he does not become angry on her wife, and then also he not become angry when she told to arrange the house and she is going walk for with her friend. But he only pray to God that your journey will be safe and secure and no obstacles in the way should cause the problem in your way. This statement, these things prove that Chandan was the supporter of women's freedom. Next, घटना क्रमानुसारम लिखत. Ghatna Kramanusaram means incident by incident we have to write, we have to arrange these sentence. So let's see what is the meaning of first sentence. Sa sakhiveh sah तीर्थ यात्रै काशी विश्वनाथ मंदिरम प्रति गच्छति. Means she was going to Kashi Vishwanath temple with her friend for a dharma yatra. The first sentence meaning is she went to Dharma Yatra to Kashi Vishwanath temple with her friend. Next statement is Ubhau Nandinya Sarvavidhi Paricharya Kuruta. Both take care of Nandini in all kinds of way. Next one, Uma Masante Utsavartham Dugdasya Avasyakta Visaye Chandanam Suchayata. Uma informs Chandan about the need of milk for the festival at the end of month. Next one, Mallika Pujartham Modakani Rachayati. Mallika makes modak for worship. Next statement is Utsava Dine Yada Dogdhum Prayatnam Karoti Tada Nandini Padena Praharati. Means on the day of festival, when he tried to milk, on the day Nandini kicks him. Means on the day of festival, when Chandan tried to milk her, she kick him. Nandini kick him. Next, Karyani Samaye Karaniyani Iti Chandanah Nandinyah Pad Praharena Avagacchate. Chandan realized that the things should be done on the time by kicking off Nandini. Next one, Chandanah Utsav Shamaye Adhika Praptum Masa Paryantam Dohanam Na Karoti. Means Chandan does not exploit for a month to get more during the festival. Why did Chandan not milking the cow? Because he want to get more milk. So the statement is telling Chandan does not exploit for a month to get more during the festival. Next, Chandanasya Patni Tirtha Yatra Samapyam Griham Pratyagachati. Chandan's wife returns home after completing her Tirtha Yatra, Dharma Yatra, pilgrimage. So we can arrange these sentences accordingly like this. You can see in the first statement is Mallika prepared modak for worship. Then she went to Dharmayatra to Kashi Vishwanath temple. Third one, Uma came to Chandan's house and she informed him to 300-liter milk. Next, Chandan did not milking the cow up to end of a month. Next, after that, Chandan's wife came back from Dharmayatra, Tirth Yatra. Then both they take care the cow too much. After that, Chandan tried to milking the cow on the festival's day, but he got only kick of Nandini. Then after that, finally he realized that he should do all the works on time by the kick of Nandini. So these are the arrangement of sentences. Next question is अधोलिखितानि वाक्यानि कम के प्रति कथयति इति प्रदत्त स्थाने लिखत. Means these following sentence statement had saying by something said by any person and to whom we have to mention it. Means these statements said to whom, by whom. So one example is giving. First example is Swamin pratyagata aham. Swami, I have returned. Aswada prasadam. Taste the grace. Who said to this? So answer is Mallika tell to his husband Chandan. Next, Dhanyavad Matula Yamya Dhunna. Thank you, Mama. Now I am going. Who said this? So Uma said this to Chandan that thank you, Mama. Now I am going. Next, Trisat Setak Mitam Dugdham Shobhanam Vyavastha Bhavishyati. Who said this? So this statement was told by Chandan to Uma. Mulyam tu dugdham vikriyaiva datum shakyate. The price can be paid by selling the milk. So this statement told by Chandan to the potter Devesh. Next, Putrike naham papa karma karomi. My daughter, I do not commit sinful deeds. I cannot do papam. So who said this? Potter said Devesh told to Mallika. Next one, Devi mayapi Gyatam yadasmabhi sarvathanuchitam kratam. Goddess means, O Devi, I also knew that we had done something completely wrong. So who said this? Chandan told this to his wife Mallika. Like this, question number 6 complete. Now come to question number 7. Question number 7 is telling पाठस्य आधारेण प्रदत्त पदानां संधि विच्छेदम वा कुरुत. Based on the topic, based on the chapter, we have to make sandhi and vichhed. So let's see. Some words are given. First word is Shivaste. So what is the vichhed of this? Vichhed means break the words into meaningful words. Shiva plus te. Next, Manoharaha. Manah plus haraha. Next, Saptahante. Saptah plus ante. Next, Nechami. Na plus ichhami. Next, Atyuttamaha. Atti plus uttamaha. Like this, these are the sandhi vichhed. Now come to next part of 7th question. पाठाधारेण अधोलिखित पदानां प्रकृति प्रत्यय च संयोज्य विभज्य वा लिखत. Means on the based of chapter we have to separate the suffix and add the suffix. So let's see. First word is karaniyam. So in this karaniyam, the suffix is aniyar. Suffix in Sanskrit pratyay. What is pratyay? Aniyar, and prakrati means dhatu kri. Kri prakrati and aniyar pratyay. Next, ve plus kri plus lyap. Here the lyap is pratyay. Then it make vikriya. Next, pathitam. Path plus akt pratyay. This is the akt pratyay. Then it make pathitam. Next, tade plus katva pratyay. This tada is a word and katva is a pratyay. Then it make tadayitva. Next, dogdhum. Dogdhum means we can break it doha plus tumun pratyay. So you can see aniyar pratyay, lep pratyay, akta pratyay, katva pratyay, tuman pratyay. So these are pratyay used. So like this, the exercise of this third chapter Goduhanam is finished. So thank you everyone. Thank you. धन्यवाद सबको.